how to use templates in Yoshion app. If you feel like you are starting from the scratch every time you open the Yoshion, well, today we are going to change that by diving into how you can use the templates to speed up your workflow. So what exactly are the templates in Yoshion? Think of them as a pre-designed layouts or the structure that you can use as a starting point for your projects. They can save you tons of times for handling the basic setup, so you can focus on what really matters to content. Ready to see how it works? First things first, let's open the Yoshion app, which is right over here. Let's tap on it and go inside it. We are inside it. So basically you can't find a separate option called template in the Yoshion app, but this is what you'll be seeing. You'll be seeing two options right over there. There's an option for the collage and there's an option for the poster. If you are gonna make photo layouts, you will be using the photo collage. And for the designing or the higher layouts, you can use the poster making. And you can see here certain flip-ups or certain collages or the templates right over here on your screen. So these are basically the templates. So you can use this right over here. Just tap on it and use the one that you prefer. For example, let's choose this one right over here. In this template, you have to choose at least 6 photos. Let's choose them 2, 3, 4, 5. And this maybe. Then tap on next, and here you can see it have added the photos to the templates. So this is how we can use the templates in Yoshion. So basically there's no an exact option for the templates, but if you want to use the templates, you can follow this process simply. I hope this video was helpful, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amusing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.